What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can skip BullX NEO waitlist. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now let's get started. So if you try to use BullX NEO, you probably ended up on the waitlist right here. Now as soon as you type in this start command right here, you will be automatically on the BullX NEO waitlist. So at the moment there are about 50,000 people on the early access waitlist. And to skip the waitlist, you would need an access code. Now if you look in the description below, you will be able to find my BullX NEO partner access code, which I copy pasted right here and then automatically got access to BullX NEO. So in order to skip the waitlist, essentially you would just need to use a partner's code to get early access to BullX NEO. And as soon as you paste over the access code, you would be able to log in into your BullX NEO account. So it's simple as that guys. You can just go over to the description below and copy paste the access code into your BullX NEO chat right here, and then you will get early access to BullX NEO. So that's guys how you can skip the waitlist and get early access to BullX NEO. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.